Jackson Safety introduces the Maxview Premium Face Shield. The Maxview features an extra-large polycarbonate window, delivering maximum safety and an exceptional panoramic view. Our patented 370 speed dial headgear offers unmatched comfort and a perfect fit. Just grab the ratcheting adjuster knob and turn. The extended crown is made from premium high-impact materials. Integrated side and chin guards protect against flying debris, while the Maxview's lightweight construction is built for all-day use. The Maxview from Jackson Safety.